Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to flush your tank water heater. The first thing you're going to do is turn off the water valve that feeds the water heater. That's typically on the top of the heater, and you just want to turn it off so that there's no more water coming into it. At the base of the water heater, you'll find a control valve. If you turn that to either off or vacation, if it's a gas water heater, that's a good idea to do as well. If it's an electric water heater, you can either flip the breaker off temporarily, or you can really, quite frankly, leave it on. It's not that critical that it gets turned off. You'll notice at the base there's a spigot, kind of like a water spigot. If you connect a garden hose to that, you can either run it to a floor drain if you have it, or to a bucket. Now, many valves you see have a handle on them like a spigot on the outside. This particular one has an insert for a screwdriver that you're going to use to open up the valve for the water to start to flow out of it. Now, you'll notice that when you first do it, it might just trickle a little bit. If you release the pressure relief valve, open that up to bring some air into the top of the tank, more water will come out. Now, it's not critical that you drain the entire tank. You're really trying to get about 2 or 3 gallons of it. The idea is that if there's any sediment at the base of the tank, it should then come out and end up into the bucket. The real opportunity here is that you should be doing this right after you install a water heater, meaning that on its 1-year birthday, you want to start doing this on an annual basis. If you wait for a few years, you may not get the desired effect. And by getting that sediment out of the tank, you will prolong the life of the water heater. Once you've drained it, make sure you turn the spigot off. Make sure that you then reset the pressure relief valve so that is now back in place. And then you can slowly turn the water back on to fill the tank. You may hear a little sput and sputtering, and that's okay. That's just normal as it fills back up again. And now you've successfully drained your water heater and taken some of the sediment out of the tank. Now, don't be surprised if you go to drain the tank and there's no sediment coming out whatsoever. That certainly is possible. But that regular draining on an annual basis will benefit the overall life of your water heater. And that's it. If you need more information, you can always go to our website, acehardware.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.